This is the kind of beachfront property that wows you at every turn. I stayed at Southern Palms Beach Club and Resort in Barbados, and in this video, I'm going to share my full and honest review of my stay. I'm going to talk about the condition of the resort and room, food, entertainment, and more. You'll want to watch this to the end if you're thinking of staying here. If you're new around here, I'm Latoya and I share all things related to travel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more. Southern Palms is a small resort overlooking the Caribbean Sea and the white sands of Dover Beach, one of the most popular beaches in Barbados. From the moment you step into the lobby of this beautiful and well-maintained property, the sea beckons. Just look at that. Let's go to the beach first. It's a long, swimmable beach, and there was no seaweed at all for the duration of my stay. There are plenty of beach chairs, loungers, and even some small tables. And because there are no crowds here, you can always find somewhere to sit. It's serene out here, no loud or continuous music, just crashing waves. You can pick up equipment for various water activities like snorkeling and boogie boarding. The pastel-colored buildings, archways, and manicured lawns make the grounds of this property pretty dreamy. There are 2 freshwater pools. The main pool is stunning and overlooks the sea. This is the smaller and quieter pool on the other side of the resort. I love the small size of this place. With just 92 rooms, you can walk from one end to the other in minutes. It also means that many guest rooms have sea views and you can hear the waves from bed like my room. Let's head there now. I booked the pool garden view room. When you enter, you're on the balcony, which is a little different, but I really grew to love this setup. And look at this view, those waves. I spent a lot of time out here. You also have a fridge out on the balcony and this little cupboard with items that I didn't touch. Now let's go see the actual room. Look at this cozy room. It has a king-size bed, the same beautiful view as the balcony, a little sitting area and TV. The bathroom is tight, but it's clean, which is the #1 priority for me. They left a nice present, a bottle of rum and Coke, which I enjoyed over the course of my stay. Now to dining. You can choose a food plan or opt out. I skipped the food plan because I wanted to explore food off the resort. I did have some meals here though, and overall it was great. There's one fine dining restaurant, and on the other side, a more casual area and bar facing the sea. This is the lunch menu. The prices are on the higher side, but I found that this was true across the whole island. This resort's central location means it's just a short stroll away from St. Lawrence Gap, an area popular for its restaurants, nightlife, and shopping. Every night I went out for dinner, and there are plenty of delicious options close by. I recommend Harlequin. Pure Ocean had elite ambiance and food. And I like the food truck just outside the resort run by Cuban women too. This is not a party resort, but you can find some low-key, mature entertainment going on, like live musical performances on a couple of nights and karaoke. My favorite was the steel pan brunch on Sundays. Listening to the steel pan while looking at the water was just magical. Afternoon tea is served daily at 4:30. I unfortunately didn't make it. There's miniature golf and both an indoor and outdoor gym. The equipment is nothing to write home about, but it's an option if you need one of these machines. The staff were friendly and helpful. The Wi-Fi was strong and reliable throughout the resort and actually really fast. They have a small internet cafe and library. Overall, this is an amazing place to come and rest if you're interested in beach views and don't want a mega resort. I will certainly be returning. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!